Multiplying whole numbers by Miss Devonia Brown. There are three parts to a multiplication sentence. 6 and 3 are known as factors. 6 is the multiplicand. 3 is the multiplier. 18 is the product. Okay, grade 6, let's do a quick recap. 35,211 times 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. Place your 5 ones under your ones column. 5 times 1 equals 5. Place your 5 tens under your tens column. 5 times 2 equals 10. Regroup 10 as 0 hundreds and 1,000. Place your 0 hundreds under your hundreds column. Carry your 1,000 above your thousands column. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 plus 1 equals 26. Regroup 26 as 6,000 and 2 10,000. Place your 6,000 under your thousands column. Carry your 2 10,000 above your 10,000s column. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 plus 2 equals 17. Regroup 17 as 7 10,000 and 100,000. Place your 7 10,000 under your 10,000s column and your 100,000 under your 100,000s column. Your product is 176,055. 58 times 27. 7 times 8 equals 56. Regroup 56 as 6 ones and 5 tens. Place your 6 ones under your ones column and carry your 5 tens above your tens column. 7 times 5 equals 35. 35 plus 5 equals 40. Regroup 40 as 0 tens and 4 hundreds. Place your 0 tens under your tens column and your 400 under your hundreds column. Place in the ones column 0 to indicate that we are now finished multiplying by 7. Now we will multiply by 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. Regroup 16 as 6 tens and 1 10. Place your 6 tens under your tens column. Carry your 1 10 above your tens column. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Regroup 11 as 100 and 1,000. Place the 100 under your hundreds column. Place your 1,000 under your thousands column. 406 is a partial product. 1,160 is a partial product. Add your partial products to get your product. 6 ones plus 0 ones is 6 ones. 0 tens plus 6 tens equals 6 tens. 400s plus 100 equals 500. Bring down your 1,000. Your product is 1,566. Let's do the check for the problem we just solved. To do the check, we're going to do the inverse of multiplication. Do you know what the inverse of multiplication is? Correct. The inverse of multiplication is division. Here is how you do the check. Product divided by multiplicand equals multiplier, or vice versa. Product divided by multiplier equals the multiplicand. But in this case, we're going to do the product divided by the multiplicand, which should give us back our multiplier. Once we get back our multiplier, we know that we solved our problem correctly. Let's go ahead and divide. 1,566 divided by 58. How many groups of 58 can you get out of 1? Cannot work. You need to make the number a little bit larger. Let's move to the next number. 15. How many groups of 58 can we get out of 15? Still cannot work. Make the number a little bit larger. So we move to the next number. 156. Yes, that can work. How many groups of 58 can we get out of 156? We can get 2 groups. 58 times 2 is 116. 6 tens from 6 tens is 0 tens. 100 from 500 is 400. 1,000 from 1,000 is 0,000. Bring down. We bring down our 6. 406. How many groups of 58 can you get out of 406? You can get 7 groups. 58 times 7 equals 406. And we subtract. So 406 from 406 leaves 0. So we got back our multiplier, which is 27. So our problem was solved correctly. Let's do a long multiplication challenge. 5,127 times 4,265. We will multiply by 5. 5 times 7 equals 35. Regroup 35 as 5 ones and 3 tens. Place your 5 ones under your ones column. Carry your 3 tens above your tens column. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Regroup 13 as 3 tens and 100. Place your 3 tens under your tens column. Carry your 100 above your hundreds column. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Place your 600 under your hundreds column. 5 times 5 equals 25. Regroup 25 as 5 thousands and 2 10,000s. Place your 5 thousands under your thousands column. Place your 2 10,000s under your 10,000s column. We now finish multiplying by 5. We will place a 0 in the units column. We now multiply by 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. Regroup 42 as 2 tens and 4 tens. Place your 2 tens under your tens column. Carry your 4 tens above your tens column. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. Regroup 16 as 600s and 100. Place your 600 under your hundreds column. Carry your 100 above your hundreds column. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Place the 7,000 under your thousands column. 6 times 5 equals 30. Regroup 30 as 0 10,000s and 300,000s. Place your 0 10,000 under your 10,000s column. Place your 300,000 under your 100,000s column. We now finish multiplying by 6. We will place a 0 in the tens column. We now multiply by 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. Regroup 14 as 400s and 110. Place your 400s under your hundreds column. Carry your 110 above your tens column. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Place your 5,000 under your thousands column. 2 times 1 equals 2. Place two 10,000s under your 10,000s column. 2 times 5 equals 10. Regroup 10 as 0 hundred thousands and 1 million. Place your 0 hundred thousands under your 100,000s column. Place your 1 million under your millions column. We now finish multiplying by 2. We will place a 0 in the hundreds column. We now multiply by 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. Regroup 28 as 8,000s and 2 tens. Place your 8,000s under your thousands column. Carry your 2 tens above your tens column. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Regroup 10 as 0 10,000s and 100. Place your 0 10,000 under your 10,000s column. Carry your 100 above your hundreds column. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Place your 500,000 under your 100,000s column. 4 times 5 equals 20. Regroup 20 as 0 millions and 2 10 millions. Place your 0 millions under your millions column. Place your 2 10 millions under your 10 millions column. You now add your partial products. 5 ones plus 0 ones plus 0 ones plus 0 ones equals 5 ones. Place your 5 ones under your units. 3 tens plus 2 tens equals 5 tens. Place your 5 tens under your tens column. 600s plus 600s plus 400s equals 1600s. Regroup 1600s as 600 and 1000. Place your 600 under your hundreds column. Carry the 1000 above the thousands column. 1,000 plus 5,000 plus 7,000 plus 5,000 plus 8,000 equals 26,000. Regroup 26 as 6,000 and 2 10,000. Place your 6,000 under your thousands column. Carry your 2 10,000 above your 10,000s column. 2 10,000 plus 2 10,000 plus 2 10,000 equals 6 10,000. Place your 6 10,000s under your 10,000s column. 300,000 plus 500,000 equals 800,000. Place your 800,000 under your 100,000s column. 1 million plus 0 million equals 1 million. Place your 1 million under your millions column. Bring down your 2 10 million. Our product for the challenge is 21,866,655. Multiplication takes lots and lots of practice. Continue practicing and go over your multiplication drill. See you next time.